feeling sluggish? Have I got the remedy for you? Today I'm going to make the immune upgrade juice using the Mod cold press juicer. This juice is amazing. It's an immune booster, chock full of vitamin C. If you make this when you're sick, you'll be recovered in no time. I think now more than ever, it's really important for us to look after our health. So making healthy juices like this at home is a great way to look after you and your family. So to go in this juice, we're going to start with an orange. So I'm just going to take the top and the bottom off and just peel that around like so, just to take the peel off. Easy done. Alright, beautiful. Don't throw away the peel, you can chuck that in your drink or don't waste it. We'll just chop the orange into quarters. Turn on our Mod cold press juicer. Nice and quiet, beautiful, stylish. I love this color red, it's amazing. And we'll pop that into the juicer. Orange goes in. Then we've got lemon, don't even have to peel it. The juicer knows what to do, it'll spit out the pulp and we only get the beautiful juice. In we go. You can use the plunger just to give it that little bit of extra help. There we go. Whole carrot, don't even have to peel it, don't even have to cut it. Straight in. Then we've got some ginger. We all know ginger is super good for you, so we just want just a 1 centimeter cube of ginger in there. And then we've got some turmeric, which is another super food. In we go. Oh, the smell of the ginger is just amazing. All right. So the pulp comes out here in a beautiful line. Don't waste that, you can use that. Let's have a look. So ready, let's release our immune upgrade juice. Beautiful, vibrant orange color. Super good for you with the superfoods of the turmeric and the ginger in there. Pop that in our little glass. So if you're feeling crook, if you've got your Mod cold press juicer at home, whip up the immune grade juice. This recipe and lots of other recipes comes in a book when you buy the juicer. So try that today. What you can do for a bit of extra health boost, add some chia or chia. I don't know how you say it, doesn't matter. They're healthy. Chia seeds in there, just a spoonful in there. Give that a little mix around. Immune upgrade juice made using the Mod cold press juicer. Super duper. Have a look at that beautiful machine. It doesn't get any better than that. Oh, I'm feeling healthy already.